What if I told you your entire life is running on programs you didn't choose? And the fastest way to change your reality is to reprogram the one thing silently controlling everything you do: your subconscious mind. Today, I'll tell you the story of a boy who changed his mind, and his whole life changed with it. There was a boy named Liam. Quiet, smart, but trapped. Not by people, not by his environment. He was trapped by his own mind. Every time he wanted to try something new, his mind whispered, "You're not good enough. You'll fail. People like you don't succeed." Those words didn't come from the world. They came from the invisible programming running inside him. One afternoon, Liam overheard two people talking about how the subconscious mind controls 95% of your actions. He froze, because suddenly, he understood. It wasn't the world holding him back. It was the code inside him. That day, he made a decision. I will rewrite my mind. Not next month. Not someday. Now. And that single decision became the beginning of a different life. 1. Daily identity affirmations. Liam didn't say, "I want to be confident." He said, "I am confident. I am disciplined. I am worthy." He repeated them every morning and every night, not to convince the world, but to rewire his inner code. Slowly, his brain began believing it. 2. Visualization before sleep. Every night, Liam closed his eyes. He didn't visualize dreams. He visualized results. He saw himself winning, achieving, becoming. The subconscious is most open at night, and he used that moment to plant new seeds. 3. Environment reset. Liam removed negativity. No more toxic voices. No more content that drained him. He replaced it with books, mentors, and videos. That fed his future, not his fears. Your mind becomes what you feed it. 4. Silent practice. He didn't announce his transformation. He didn't brag. He didn't post. He worked in silence until his results made the noise for him. And slowly, people began noticing the change. 5. Repetition. Every day. Not once. Not twice. Every day. Same words. Same vision. Same energy. Because repetition is how the subconscious learns. Weeks passed. Then months. And one day, Liam woke up different. His thoughts were clearer. His fear was gone. His confidence was real. He wasn't the old Liam anymore. He had reprogrammed the code. And when the code changed, his life changed. His decisions changed. His habits changed. His opportunities changed. And so did his future. You don't need luck. You don't need magic. You need new programming. Your mind is not your enemy. It's a machine waiting for new instructions. And if you give it new code, it will give you a new life. If you're ready to rewrite your mind like Liam, hit subscribe, join Mind Empire, and let's rebuild the version of you that your old programming tried to hide. Your new life is waiting. Your new mind is the key. Start today.